All right, you guys, real quick, hopefully, first of all, hopefully you guys had a wonderful weekend. I'm doing a recap and results from Sunday, utilizing our signals group and our tools in the perfect entry trading system on TradingView. If you don't have access, by the end of this video, I'm quite sure you're going to want to have access to these tools. We've been having amazing results inside of our members group for well over a year and a half now. We've been very consistent on a day-to-day, week-to-week, and month-to-month basis. But I'm going to share with you the results from Sunday. So I'm going to go with them one by one. That way you can see that the results are real. This is May 22nd. This is when the market opened here. So our first signal came at 7 p.m. was Euro NZD for a sale. Euro NZD for a sale. Let me get rid of some of these lines and everything like that. So let's go to Euro NZD for the sale. The sale here, we caught an easy 100 pips. Notice here, Euro NZD, 100 pips. I had already started before the video, but I decided to go ahead and bring you guys along for this journey while I calculate these pips. That's over 100 pips for the sale. Now, of course, if you had to just let it hit take profit one, I know it says that your entry and the stop loss is here. That's because it's currently in a buy. But the sale that we caught at 6 or 7 p.m. was this sale here. This sell here, and you caught well over 100 pips. Next one is GBP JPY. So let's go ahead and go to GBP JPY. It was a buy. Notice here you got your buy, and it's currently up over 100 pips for GBP JPY. From the entry to where it went, where it's at now is 106 pips. So that's 100 plus pips on GBP JPY. I wanted to show you guys this because when I be sending out some of these totals, some people thought that I was counting points. These are pips. When we say we're catching over 5,000 to 10,000 pips a week, that is pips, not points. for the naysayers out there. GBP USD. Let's go to GBP USD. GBP USD. Look at that buy, straight into profit. No pullback, no drawdown whatsoever. That's also over 100 pips. Easy. To the upside, GU. So let's see what's next. What's next? USD CAD. Let's go to USD CAD. USD CAD, easy sale. Was it a sell or a buy? USD CAD was a sale. Look at that sale, straight to profit. No drawdown, no stress, straight to profit. Put about 50 pips to the USD CAD. Let's add that to the list. USD CAD, 50 plus pips. All thanks to the session key. Shout out to the session key out there. Session key users out there. Buy Euro USD. So let's go back to Euro USD. It was a huge buy on Euro USD. This is a trade I wish I had a caught. Whew, I missed that trade. It's okay. It's going to pull back. Looks like we got a nice pullback coming here, but that's another video. Look at that buy on Euro USD. Straight into profit. 120 pips for Euro USD. This is Sunday, folks. This is yesterday. This is Sunday. 120 plus pips. There's some people out there to tell you don't trade on Sundays. You don't know what the market's going to do. It's sporadic. They're right. You don't know what it's going to do unless you have the session key. Unless you got the perfect trading system, you can trade any day of the week, any time of the week. Doesn't really matter. Let's go to the next one. What's next? What's next on the hit list? Euro JPY. Euro JPY. What did it give us? It gave us a buy on Euro JPY and it hit our stop loss. But look what happened afterwards. Ooh. That was nasty. Gave us the buy, hit our stop loss, and took off. Oh, that was a loser. It was a lost trade. I mean, even though it was right. Say for instance, if the entry was right, oh, the sell hit the stop loss too. That was a double whammy. That was tricky. They caught us on that one. That's cool. But even if you was right on that buy, it was up 150 pips. So these are one of them. When they say just what I was just saying earlier, you should not trade on a Sunday. This is why, right? Gave you the buy. It ultimately went to the buy, but it gave you the buy, hit your stop loss, and then gave you the sell and hit your stop loss. Luckily, I don't think it gave you the buy and the sell of the signals. Hopefully it didn't. Let's see. You got your buy on Euro JPY. Let's see if it gave you the sell too. Hopefully it did. Hopefully it did. Hopefully it did. Euro JPY, there it goes right there. Oh man, that's a double whammy. That's cool though. That's cool. Guess what? We don't even worry about the losses. The loss is only about 40 pips. Euro JPY. I'm gonna go ahead and put you down for a negative 40. It's cool. It's an L. Section key. Just for added measure, let's go ahead and put the other one in there too. Negative 40 pips. When you can laugh off the losses, those are just lessons learned. It's cool because we still way up for the day. We're still up, right? It's cool. So let's go to the next one. Let's go to where was we at? Euro USD was the Euro USD, USD CAD, Euro USD, Euro JPY. Okay, S&P 500, golden key. Buy on the golden key. Let's see what we got on this S&P 500 trade. It was a buy. So let's go ahead and turn on the golden key. Turn off the session key. Let's put on this bad boy, the golden key. The golden key buy. Change these parameters a little bit. Let's take off these zeros. Just for the sake of measure, being that it is. There we go. Golden key, currently up. Came down a little bit of drawdown. Might have gave you a little bit of pressure. It's okay. As long as it don't hit your stop loss, you're good. Gave you 40 pips. S&P 500 gave us 40 pips. So far, so good. S&P 500, we got some of that 40 pips back. Got a little bit of it back right here. 40 plus pips. Golden key. Sell DXY. Ooh, who says signals out for the DXY? We do. We do now anyway. Where is it? Sell DXY. Lord have mercy. Not a lot of people even know this is the Dow. This is the dollar index, basically. The strength of the dollar. Recorded 70 pips. Not too many trading groups out there, signals groups out there even knows what the DXY is, and if they do, they wouldn't dare send the signal out. We do with confidence. DXY 70 pips. And these are all from the tools, folks. This is not coming from me. I mean, I'm a creator of the tool, the strategy, and a confluence behind the tool, and the programmer. Shout out to the programmers. They did an amazing job setting this tool up with the alert system. That way, you guys can get all of the alerts in the Telegram. These alerts are coming from the tools. So if you get the tools and the alert system, you can pull it up yourself and you can manage it, follow it yourself, or you can just simply copy and paste the trades from the Telegram channel. So if you understand that these tools work and you know that they work, you back tested it, you've been using it, you don't even have to pull the charts out no more. You just wait for the signal. Copy the signal. It gives you your entry, stop loss, take profit 1, 2, and 3. You manage it the best way you can with proper risk management, and you're okay. You're okay. Let's go to the next one. I ain't gonna hold y'all up too long. 10 p.m. We're gonna go to 12 a.m. 12 a.m. is the next day. Hypothetically, 12 a.m. is the next day, so we're gonna go to 12 a.m. It's 10 p.m. currently. We got about 2 more hours of signals. We're buying US 30. We're buying US 30. Let's see what we got on that buy on US 30. Golden key, the buy. It was a nasty one. It just hit the stop loss before it gave you. So we're gonna go ahead and call. We ain't gonna try to oversaturate. Let's go ahead and US 30. We ain't even gonna try to cheat it. This is a negative. What's a negative? 50 pips. Let's see. From the entry, how many? It might not be 50, maybe more than that. From here, it's 100 pips, negative 100 pips. Negative 100 pips, it's cool. Even though it gave us the move, because y'all see a move actually did happen. It still gave you the move. Came back a little bit further, it gave you the move. It gave you the sell. This is, again, why they tell you not to trade on Sunday. It's cool, though. It's cool, though. It's all right. Golden key. Took an L there. We're not going to win them all. There's some days when we win them all, but we're not going to win them all the time. It's cool, though. GBP AUD. Shout out for the people that's been following the group, following the signals, that's been utilizing the signals. They know for a fact that we have some winning days where we don't catch no losses. I mean, there's been days we will go 12 wins, 0 losses, and over 2,000 pips. Those are great days. We don't have days like that all of the time, though. So it's cool. We're going to take losses here and there. GBP AUD. Let's see what we did. That's on the hit list. This is such a key. Such a key. GBP AUD. What such a key? What do we get? What was it? Sell on GBP AUD. Got the sell. Hit the take profit 1 a little bit further. That's about 30 pips. It's cool. What about 30 there? 30 plus. That was a win. Such a key. Next is AUD USD. We still at 10 o'clock, so these signals all came at the same time. AUD USD for the buy. Look at that buy. Nice buy, pretty buy. Got about 40, 50 pips out there. Yeah, about 40 pips. We'll say 30 plus. AUD USD, another 30 plus pips. Easy wins. What's next? Not gonna hold you guys too much longer. Now we until 11. Euro JPY at 11. Euro JPY for the sell. Ooh, stop. Where's the sell at? Oh yeah, we already did that. Remember, we already put that in. So we're gonna say we ain't even gonna worry about that one. Sell AUD NZD. Remember, we had to buy, stop loss, sell, stop loss. So I went ahead and just put both of them just for added measure. that was funny right there. That was a trap. That's okay though. It's okay though. You might win the battle. You'll never win the war when it comes to these perfect entry trading system tools. AUD NZD is next on the hit list. And so we pulled out of AUD NZD. Sell. Ooh, look at that. Nasty, choppy. Again, Sunday. But we got about 10 pips out of there. I wouldn't even want to count that, but just for the sake of the video, we're gonna go ahead and count these 10 pips in AUD NZD. 10 plus. I don't even count it as a win unless it's over 20 pips. But that's not a loss because it never hit the stop loss. So I'm gonna go ahead and add those extra 10 pips in there for added measure. What's next? Go, baby. Oh, it's 12 a.m. It's 12 a.m. So we're gonna start the next day, which is Monday. We're gonna start that with gold. And we're just gonna go ahead and even though this is just for Sunday, we're gonna go ahead and pull up gold just to see what it did on the golden key. Let's see what it did, baby. Golden key, what was it? It was a buy. Look at this buy. And it's funny because I caught this buy early. I caught this buy last night, right? It was around 11, it was around 12 o'clock. I got in at 11. So I got in around this candle here. Caught the buy. Look at this buy. Easy buy, right? Easy. 100 pips, right? Guess what happened? It came back down to the zone. And about 2 hours ago, maybe an hour before I hit this video, I noticed it was breaking the zone again. So I caught another buy and caught another. I made about $300 on this trade on my funded account, but it was another 50 pips to the upside. So let's go ahead and put that for Monday. We're going to go ahead and jump stop Monday. Go. 150 pips. That was a win for the golden key. So hopefully you guys see, I ain't even tallied up yet. So before I let y'all go, I'm going to go ahead and tally this up for a Sunday. How many total trades was it? It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 total trades. Total trades is 13. Total wins is 10, it looks like. 3 losses, yeah, so it's 10 wins. Total, oops, can't tell. Losses, 3 losses. Win rate, what's the win ratio for that? Can anybody say it real quick off the top for the math heads out there? I'm not good with percentages, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull that up on Google. What's 10 out of 13? 10 out of 13, please. That's 77%, 76.9. So we're gonna go ahead and round that up, 77%. Win rate, 77%. That's a good win ratio, isn't it? I like the power of 7 too. That's a lucky number, 7-7, double 7, man. That was a great day. Total pip count. We got 350, 370, 470, 430, 390, 430, 500, 400, 470, 470 pips on a Sunday. 470 pips. It's not bad. Usually we'll catch over 1,000 pips on a given day, but like they said, you're not supposed to be trading on a Sunday anyway. So that's an extra 470 pips right there for the week. Shout out to the golden key and the session key. We didn't get no trades from the entry optimizer. That's more of a longer term trade. That's for the swing traders out there. We utilize the entry optimizer mainly for confirmation. So notice this gold trade, right? We got this gold trade. Let's put a line of where we start. Gold trade somewhere in this area, right where this buy started, right? So let's go ahead and let's put in the entry optimizer real quick. Just to show y'all what the entry optimizer is for, baby. Entry optimizer. Let's put it on a lower time frame. Entry optimizer. If we was on a lower time frame, we would be buying. Called buys, right? Lower time frames. Lower time frame action. 5 minutes, 3 minute, 5 minute. Being that we're on a volatile pair, It's still not changing. Hold on. I need to change something in here. Something not right here. Something not right here. Let me make sure everything is good. Everything is good. Everything is good. So why isn't it not giving me what I need, baby? That's for a whole nother video, though. This is mainly for the confirmation of the buy on a 3-minute time frame. Confirmation was somewhere in this area, though. So we was already in buyer's territory. So if you had pulled up the optimizer and the golden key told you to buy, look, you're in buyer's territory. You can go ahead and buy. You're buying off the bounces, buying off the bounce. That's that bounce there that I was looking for, that pullback back into that zone, that bounce, baby. Caught it right back up. So hopefully you see the value in the tools that we have. I'm not even going to go full extent on the entry optimizer. I'll say that for another video. Or just hit me up, ask me. I'll send you some detailed information about that tool as well. We have other tools in our toolkit we haven't even released yet. We got the PMBO, the PMWBO, we got our momentum tool, and much, much more in the perfect entry trading system. But the golden key and the session key, as you can see, the golden key and the session key alone, with the addition of the entry optimizer for confirmation, you can use just the session key and golden key and trade all of these pairs and assets. All of them, including your crypto, including your futures, your bonds, your oil, your stocks. It doesn't matter. You can utilize either the golden key or the session key to get daily trades on a daily basis and catch over 5,000 pips a week. So if you're not using the golden key, the session key, or have access to the perfect entry trading system, or at least having access to the signals group, baby. Because look at this. You're getting the alert. Entry, take profit 1, hit, take profit 2's hit, take profit 3's hit. All take profits hit. You got to stop loss there. They go that bad boy, that Euro JPY. It was that Euro JPY put us in the trap yesterday. It's cool though. Look at all these take profits that hit. No matter, catch the loss. I laugh at these losses. Before, I used to get mad when I took an L. Now, it don't matter. Take the L. So what? We still winning. 470 pips on a Sunday, 77% win rate. If you want access, get in contact with me. I'm telling you, I am opening up a private mentorship group. It's only going to be for about 10 to 15 students. And I'm doing this for the first time since I started trading. I mean, I've built teams before. I've worked with my team before. We've done live sessions, training sessions before. This private mentorship is going to be a personal private mentorship to help people become 6-figure earners, not just traders. I'm going to help them become 6-figure to 7-figure earners in the next year, just based off of the tools that we have, the trainings that we have, and the resources that we have. And it's not just with Forex. We're going to teach you how to utilize the tools, automate the tools. We're going to teach you how to automate different aspects and diversifying your portfolio, not just in trading, but I'm talking about trucking. I'm talking about business credit, funding, I'm talking about e-commerce. I'm talking about white label, private labeling. Man, it's going to be a lot in store in this private mentorship. So it's a one-time fee. You're not paying monthly. You're paying a one-time fee for this private mentorship. And once you get access, I'm going to work with you for at least 3 months. And within that 3-month span, you're going to have funded accounts. You're going to be earning at least $10,000 a month off of your trading. You're going to have an e-commerce store earning at least $10,000 a month on that as well. You're going to have a business funded account or a business credit account to where you're going to have funding to launch your own personal business that you dream of or you desire. You're finally going to have the way to have the time, the money, and the resources to do so. And this is a private mentorship. This is not a monthly mentorship. This is not a platform. This is you directly connected to me and my team that is going to help you automate your income and diversify your portfolio. But if you don't want to get private mentorship from me, it is plenty of mentorships out there, baby. Shout out to all of the other traders and educators and the mentors out there. There's plenty of coaches out there. I've had some of them myself. I still have mentors to this day. So if you don't want that, if you just want access to the tools and the signals, by all means, you can subscribe on a monthly basis. It's a lot cheaper that way. If you don't want the one-time fee, because the one-time fee is a little bit up there. It's over $1,000. I'm not going to bust people over their head. The stuff that I'm sharing you, the golden key tool and the strategy alone, people are charging $5,000 for something very similar. I turned what we know into a golden key, session key, entry optimizer. I turned it into the tool to make it easier. But I'm going to teach you the strategy behind it. There's people out there charging $5,000 for mentorship. I'm not doing that. Charging $1,500 one-time fee, and you're gonna get access to me for at least 3 months. Access to me for at least 3 months. I'm going to share with you everything I know when it comes to trading, when it comes to these tools, and how to automate and diversify your portfolio. But if you don't want to go that route and you just want to get access to the tools, it's $150 a month. You pay $150 a month, you'll get access to the signals. The signals by itself is worth $150 a month. This is no training. Hopefully you know how to trade and you know how to at least pull out your MT4 and all of that stuff. This is no training. I have training videos available if you need some. I got plenty of them, but I'm not training nothing. I'm not doing no live sessions. The signal channel alone is worth $150. I know that, and I'll say that humbly because I've been connected to many signal platforms, apps, telegrams, you name it. They're not doing what we're doing. They're not. If you know somebody that's putting up numbers like us, tag them in the video. I want to know who they are. I want to virtually shake their hand because they lit. Congratulations to them. But there's not many Telegram signal channels that's putting out the signals that we're putting out on a daily, consistently on a daily. Hold on, let me show y'all. Just to show y'all what I'm talking about. Hopefully y'all can still see my screen. Let me go ahead and scroll a little bit. Let me just scroll so you can see these results. 1,600 pips, 2,300 pips on daily, 12 wins, 0 losses, 2,300 pips on a Thursday. 21 trades, 15 wins, 6 losses, 2,200 pips. 18 trades, 900 pips. 19 trades, 700 pips. 8 trades, 1,200 pips. 120, this was last week. 120 trades, 88 wins, 73% win ratio, 16,000 pips on a week. In a week, we do this every day. Notice, I'm taking this every day, allocating these trades every day. I'm doing it for over a year, and we're consistently sending out 5,000 pips a week or more. Consistently. It's not, oh, we have a good week and then a bad week, or a good month, then a bad month. We might have a good day, then a okay day. We've never had a day. There is not a day on the list that I've been taking trades where we had a negative pip count to where we was losing pips. No negative pip counts. None. If you can go in my signal channel and do your own allocations and find me a negative day on the pip count, I'll give you $100. That's how confident I am that we don't have losing days. We might lose some trades though. We might lose some trades. We're not having losing days, weeks, or months. And we've been doing this consistently for over a year now. So if you're still trading and you're still struggling, if you want to take it to the next level, if you want to go ahead and get your hands on $100,000, $200,000, or multiple funded accounts, these tools and this signal resource is going to help you do so. You don't have to be a master trader. You don't have to go through all of the education and all of that stuff that they get, that fluff that they got all around and all of these platforms. Shout out to the platforms. Nothing wrong with it. Education and knowledge is power. But if you ain't got time, or you just see yourself and like, man, I just can't learn this. All you got to do is learn how to copy and paste, baby. That's it. All you got to do is learn how to copy and paste the trade. It tells you when to buy. It tells you your entry, your stop loss, and your take profit. If you can just follow this with proper risk management, you can get yourself a funded account. You can become a professional or a consistent trader. But if you're still struggling and you're still listening to the sound of my voice, that means you done seen this entire video. You done seen all of the results. I must be funny, or I don't know what it is about my voice. If you're still listening to my voice and you're still struggling, and then you continue to struggle, you can't blame nobody but yourself, baby, because you see the results. You're seeing the tools, and I'm saying this with confidence because I know it works. I know it works. There's people on the team and the members in the group that's inside of these signals channel. They know it works. If you're not using it, how can it work? It can't work unless you make it work. And in order to make it work, baby, you got to get inside the team. You got to get inside the winning circle. We win. We've been winning for a minute. So if you're not winning and you're tired of losing, you got to make the decision to get the tools. Prices is going up. Just like chicken, just like everything else in the economy. Right now, we started with $100. It went to $129 a month. It's now at $149 a month. In June, it's going to $179 a month. In July, it's going to $199 a month. You can wait all you want. If you get it now at $149 a month, and as long as you stay active, it is always going to be $149 a month for you. You're going to be grandfathered in. You can save yourself a lot of money. If you want to pay for the year, you can pay for the year and not have to pay for the monthly and save yourself some money. You can pay for the private mentorship and you'll get access forever. How's that sound? The students in the private mentorship will get access to these tools and the signals forever, or as long as we live. Right? So who wants to pay a monthly fee? People don't want to pay a monthly fee. You don't want to pay a monthly fee? Pay for the yearly. If you want to get it forever, pay for the private mentorship. I'm giving you guys options because I don't want to, but I make my money regardless of trading. I could be selfish and not be on Facebook or not on Telegram or nothing because I'm out here trying to help people succeed, because there was once a time when somebody helped me get to where I am. So my goal is to help you. I can easily just go make my 10, 20, 30, 40, $50,000 a month trading by myself using these same tools, these same signals. But I'm trying to help you guys succeed. I'm trying to help you guys reach the goals that you deserve, because you deserve to make as much money and live in abundance, because that's what you're here for, to live on purpose. But some people just lack the resources. They lack the tools. They lack the knowledge. They lack the connections. I am your connection. I am your resources. I have the tools. I have the knowledge. I can show you the way. You just got to be willing to follow. That's it. So the options is yours to choose from. It's either you want to pay the monthly on the discount, or if you just want to wait to see the results and wait for the price to go up, that's on you. If you want to get away from the monthly and just go ahead and pay for the yearly, you can do that as well. If you want private mentorship. And it's funny because the yearly price is $1,000. The private mentorship is $1,500. I'm gonna say this again. The yearly price for the tools is just the tools and the signals. It's not private mentorship. It's not no trainings, a lot of private sessions on Zooms. It's not helping you build your business credit. None of that extra fluff that I have inside of this private mentorship. I'm not even gonna go in on what's in store for the private mentorship. But the yearly access right now is $1,000. The private mentorship is starting at $1,500. And this is, again, me trying to help y'all get the tools that you need. The people that's going to be in that private mentorship, all 10 of them or 15 of them, is going to be at least six-figure earners by the end of the year. And that is without a doubt, shadow of a doubt, because of what we're going to be teaching them and giving them access to. Not just the tools for trading, the team that we have to automate your e-commerce stores. And we got people that's making $50 to $100,000 within a 3-month span off of the team that we developed with their store. In their first 3 months, they're crossing over $100,000. We haven't even begun to show that yet. I haven't even begun to talk about that part yet, because I want the mentors, the mentees, I want the team that's coming into the mentorship to get first dibs. We already been doing it for months, but if you want access to it, of course you gotta pay your way to play. So I'm not gonna hold y'all too long, man. Y'all listen to my voice enough. It's truly up to y'all. It's truly up to y'all to know what you truly want. If you want to win because you've been losing, it might be a small tweak that you need, or it might just be the tools that you need to confirm. You might be second guessing yourself. You might just need the perfect entry optimizer. You might just need the session key or the golden key. You might just need to copy and paste these signals. Don't mark up no. If you've been marking up charts and you're losing, it's because you're trading like a retail trader. Stop trading like a retail trader. Just copy the signals until you figure it out on your own. Just copy the signals. It tells you what the entry is. It tells you your stop loss, take profit 1, 2, and 3. Pick take profit 1. Get your 25 pips. Get out the game. Every trade. Take profit 1. I'm out. Every trade. Take profit 1. I'm out. Every trade is going to hit take profit 1. 90% of your session key is going to hit take profit 1. Get the 25 pips, get up out of there. And you're going to get about 5 of them a day. So you're going to have about 100 to 150 pips daily. If you can get 20 pips a day consistently, you can be a 6-figure trader. You can get 100 pips a day consistently with the session key by itself. Just to go for take profit 1. I ain't going to hold y'all up, man. I'll see y'all in the next video.